So, do you know about alpha particle?
Yes, sir, you told yesterday.
What is alpha particle?
Sir, helium particle with plus 2 charge.
About helium, you're sure?
Yes.
So, how many protons are there in helium?
Sir, 4.
So, 4 into mass of 1 proton.
Okay.
Have you understood?
So,
Understood now?
yes.
Okay. So, let us go for another topic. That is with this method you are able to understand.
Yes.
Sometimes internet used to be disturbed. Don't worry. Actually, I have done tinkering with my mobile, and whenever I disturb it, so internet gets disturbed. It takes few seconds for me to connect. Otherwise, there is no answer. Just now it was disturbed. You see, screen is visible to you.
Yes.
Okay. So today we are going to study about electric dipole. You make notes of these because this will help you for revision.
Sir, I need.
And after 3 classes, I will conduct tests.
After listening class.
After 3 classes. Because conducting tests for large amount no, is of no use. The small portions should also be revised. Then it will be prepared to you. So electric dipole and electric dipole. My sound is coming to you?
Yes.
Is a pair of equal and opposite point charges. Placed at short distance apart. This is definition of electric dipole. So exactly if you see your dipole, so it is like this. Here is minus Q and here is plus Q. You've taken two charges and separate them by the distance 2L. This 2L is a short distance between them. Short distance means very short. It is not 1 meter, 2 meter. They are very close to each other. So we have another concept with electric dipole that is called dipole moment. Dipole moment. This will be equal to charge multiplied by distance between the charges. So check the value of charge. Charge is how much? Q. And distance between charges is 2L. Symbol for electric dipole moment is P. This is vector quantity. Are you following it?
Yes.
Now the question comes, what will be its direction? Its direction is along the line joining the two charges. Pointing from the negative charge to the positive charge. Pointing from negative charge to the positive charge. Are you following it? Symbolically, you will represent it like this. P. Negative charge is here. Its direction will be this way. Have you understood this?
Yes.
Now after this, I should change the page.
Yes.
After this, you have electric field due to an electric dipole. So we have a derivation. There are two parts in that. First part we are doing. First part is intensity of the electric field at a point on the axis of dipole. In this condition, what you are going to do? Your dipole will be like this. This is minus Q, A is here, plus Q is here. Distance between these two, 2m. One point is P here. Here you have to find electric field. So direction of electric field you take its distance from this point from here to here. This is your you take the distance from the midpoint. This distance is R. So from B the distance will be how much? R minus L. And from A it will be how much? R plus L. Are you following it? Electric field due to A will be E1. And electric field due to B will be E2. So first we'll find out electric field due to B. So find electric field due to B. So it will be E1. This is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Value of charge is Q. Distance is R minus L whole square. This is your equation 1. Is this clear to you?
Yes.
Its direction will be along the dipole axis. Are you able to follow?
Yes.
Next part. I've written this part, then I should change the page.
Yes.
Next part is for E2. E2, this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R plus L whole square. This is opposite to the dipole axis. This is your equation 2. E1 will be greater than E2. So now resultant intensity E is equal to E1 minus E2. Do the differences. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by r minus L whole square minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by r plus L whole square. Are you following it?
Yes.
What is common in these two?
So 1 by 4 epsilon naught.
And then
Q.
Q is also common. So I've taken common it. 1 upon r minus L whole square minus 1 by r plus L whole square. Any problem? Next step will be this is equal to q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus L whole square minus r minus L whole square upon divide this r minus L whole square and then r plus L whole square. Do you have any kind of problem?
Yes.
Do you know a plus b whole square?
Yes.
So same we'll do here also. Open this bracket. A square b square plus 2ab minus a square b square and down one a minus b into a plus b is how much?
Sir, A plus?
This formula you see on the screen. A minus b into a plus b how much?
A square plus B square.
Minus will be there.
A square.
So use it here. It will become r square minus l square whole square. Is that clear?
Yes.
Next step will be these two will be cancelled. So you'll be writing q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 4 lr divided by. Till here it is clear?
Yes.
So we have written now P is equal to 2ql. It was there in dipole moment.
Yes.
So here you do substitution. Right here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This will become 2 pr divided by r square minus l square whole square. Any problem? We'll do one approximation that this r is far greater than 2l. So this term will be negligible. I should change the page?
No, sir.
Okay, right then I
Sir, one down. Sir, here you have said P is equal to 2QL. And there you have taken instead of 4LR. So here it is 4.
Wait 1 minute. Last step you remember? I am changing the page. You tell it to me, then we'll start from there. What is second last step?
Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught.
Then?
Into 4LR.
Right.
Divided by R square minus L square.
Whole square. Till this much it is clear to you?
Yes.
Now write like this. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is 4 no? Make it into two parts. 2. This q you bring from here to here. Right here q. L was already here. Have you followed it?
Yes.
So what you can do? This value of 2ql is p. So here you can write p. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 2 will be as it is. PR. Have you followed it?
Yes.
No confusion is there? No? Now what you do? This R will be far greater than 2L. So this term will be negligible. You can neglect it. So what will get? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 PR upon R square will be how much? R to the power 4?
Yes.
1 power you can cancel from here. So finally you will be getting 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p divided by r. Any problem?
No, sir.
So this is one formula you got. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p divided by r. This is in which position? First one we have derived it for axis of dipole. Axis of dipole. Any problem?
No, sir.
There is second derivation now. I should change the page or you are writing?
Sir, then.
Second part is intensity of electric field at a point on the equatorial line. So for this your diagram will be like this. So point P will be here. A will be here -2. B will be here +q. So at point P you have to find. What we'll do, this distance from here to here is r. This is r.
Yes.
You write here O. This is L, this is L. So how much will be this diagonal?
2.
This hypotenuse will be under root L square plus r square. Same will be here also. Are you following it?
Yes.
Okay. Now come to this one. Direction of E1 will be this way. This is E1. And E2 will be this way. Resultant will be E. This angle is theta. This angle also will be theta. Any problem?
No, sir.
So this resultant E, this will be equal to E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. Are you following it?
Yes, sir.
So E1 value is how much? Check. E1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon r square plus L square. You'll do under root and then you'll do whole square. This is the formula. So square it now. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square plus L square. This is your E1. What will be cos theta? Cos theta is equal to, see this. Do you know cos theta is how much? Perpendicular base divided by hypotenuse. Do you know this formula?
Yes.
Base is how much? L, and hypotenuse is what? Under root r square plus L square. Any problem?
No, sir.
Similarly, what will be E2? E2 also will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square plus L square. This is your equation 2. Have you written this much?
Yes.
Let us go for the next. Substitute the value. E is equal to E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. So at the place of E1, what you write? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square plus L square. Cos theta value you should write. Cos theta how much you put? L upon under root r square plus L square.
Yes.
Plus again same thing will be repeated. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square plus L square into L upon under root. Any problem?
No, sir.
Solve it now. See this same thing 2 times you put it. So you can write it twice into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square plus L square. What will be short form of this? To the power 3 by 2. Are you able to follow?
Yes.
Power 1 is here and this is 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2.
Yes.
L will be here. So this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2ql upon. What is the value of 2ql?
To P.
Write there P. Again we'll do one approximation. R is far greater than 2l. You can neglect this term.
Sir, this will always be true. R is far greater than
Yes,
12.
yes. P upon. This r square to the power 3 by 2. This 2 to cancel. P divided by r cube. This much you have done.
Yes.
So next part of this question. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P upon r. This is final formula. So this is half than the axis position. Have you observed it?
Yes.
In axis one, what was there? E is equal to 1 by 4 pi
4
epsilon
pi
naught
epsilon.
2p by r 2p. And then this is equatorial. Equatorial will be half than axis. Done? I should go for next topic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is torque on dipole. Do you know the meaning of torque? when you are keeping the dipole in uniform electric field. The diagram is like this. This is the electric field. This dipole you have kept here. Minus Q charge is here and plus Q charge is here. One force will back to here, another will be. This will be QE. And any problem?
Yes.
Length of this dipole is, this is 2L. On my QE and QE equal and opposite forces work. When two equal and opposite forces work on any object, so they make couple. So the symbol of couple is tau. Tau is equal to force multiplied by perpendicular distance between forces. So in this condition, if you check it in diagram, see this. Perpendicular distance will be this. This is perpendicular distance. If this angle is theta, so this will be 2L sin theta. Are you following it?
Yes.
So force is how much? Q into E. And perpendicular distance is 2L sin theta. So what will be writing? 2QL So what is the value of 2QL?
P.
Right here, P E sin theta. This is the meaning of tau. If you want to write in vector form, so it will be P cross E. In 11th class, you might have studied this.
Yes.
Have you completed this much?
Yes.
Some conditions are there. You can apply it. Tau is equal to P E sin theta. So if theta is equal to 90 degrees, then what is sin 90? 1. So tau maximum will be equal to P into E. So in that condition, dipole moment, if you want to find, so tau maximum divided by. Any problem? If you keep theta is equal to 0 degrees there, sin 0 is 0. Tau is equal to E sin 0. Any problem to you? So suppose your electric field is like this. What is the meaning of this? So electric field is like this. And if you keep a dipole in this way. Minus q is here and plus q is here. So no force will work. Are you following it?
Yes, sir.
And maximum force will work when you are going to keep your dipole like this, perpendicular. Have you done this much?
Yes.
Let us do some numerical. I should change the page. Right here. Have you gone somewhere? An electric dipole of moment (4 × 10⁻⁹ Coulomb meter) is aligned at 30 degrees. With the direction of a uniform electric field Are you there? E is equal to, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 5 × 10⁴ Newton. Hey, don't do. Newton per Coulomb. What is the magnitude of the force and of the torque acting on it? Are you following the question? In this question, you should see solution. Electric dipole has been given. P is equal to 4 × 10⁻⁹ Electric field E is equal to 5 multiplied by 10⁴ Newton per Coulomb. Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So tau is equal to PE sin theta, and sin 30 degree is equal to, how much is the value of sin 30 degree? 1/2. Substitute the value and then tell it to me. Will you able to do? Try.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Try it. If you face problem, I'm here.
Say 10 × 10⁻⁵.
Correct. You can write 10 to the power. You are getting this much, no? 10 multiplied by 10⁻⁵. So you can write it 10⁻⁴. Newton meter. Unit you have written? Have you written unit?
No, sir.
Write unit also.
Newton per centimeter square.
No. It will be Newton per meter. Newton meter, not Newton.
But the question is in centimeter.
Okay. This cm, this is not centimeter. This is coulomb meter.
Yes.
This is your coulomb. We shall go for next question.
Yes.
Three charges plus q
So your screen is not visible.
Wait, it has come. Now it is visible.
Yes.
Okay. This is internet trouble. It comes sometime in here.
Yes.
So are you finding yourself comfortable?
Yes.
Okay. Three charges plus q, comma, minus 2q and plus q are located at the vertices of an equilateral triangle of side 2L. What is the equivalent? Dipole moment of the ray. This is the problem. So first let us draw the diagram. This is an equilateral triangle. Minus q, plus q, and then plus q. Equilateral triangle angles, you know, they will be 60 degree. So half of that will be 30 degree. So this is the condition of your two dipole. One is here, P1, another is here, P2. And they are inclined with 30 degree each other. So resultant of this will be how much? E is equal to P1 cos 30 degree plus P2 cos 30 degree. And P1, this will be equal to P2. What is the formula for P? 2QL. Substitute here values. P is equal to 2QL cos 30 degree plus so cos 30 degree value is cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. 2 to the 4. So we get 2 under root 3. This is the answer of this question. Have you understood? Done? One more problem we'll do. This is numerical problem 3 for today. Find the electric intensity at a point where a charge -5 × 10⁻⁴ coulomb experiences a force. Do you know the formula? Do you know the formula for this question? You have to find electric field intensity. What is given? F. F is how much? 2.25 Newton. Q. Q is how much? Do you know the formula?
Sir, of E, 1/4 pi Q upon R square.
Any other formula you have? Do you remember this formula?
E is equal to F upon Q.
Correct. Use it.
This was
Use this formula. Finished? You'll be substituting like this at the place of F, right? 2.25 divided by 5 into 10 to the power -4. So it will become 2.25 into 10 to the power
0.45 into 10 to the power.
Yes. And do the division from here. 4 5 are 20, 4 5 are 20. So it will be coming 4.5 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Is this clear to you?
Yes.
Have you understood?
Yes.
Revise it. Tomorrow which time will you study? Same time?
Sir, 2 to 3.
2 to 3.
Sir, then tomorrow you will be conducting tests.
No, 3 classes let it finish, no? One more class you give. Thank you.